What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, what we talk about on this channel is affiliate marketing, making money online, and the different side hustles that you can do. So if you're interested in any of that, make sure to subscribe. We also talk about investing, so if you're interested in that, subscribe, and let's get right into the video. So in today's video, I want to talk about how to actually make money with affiliate marketing. You know, if you go to YouTube, there'll be tons of different videos about how to do affiliate marketing. Some of them will say how to do recurring income, how to do it with high ticket. Some other people will be telling you like how to do it with, you know, free traffic, organic traffic, and some people will tell you how to do it with paid traffic. Well, in this video, I'm going to do only free traffic because I'm aware that most of you people out there don't have a ton of money. That's how I started. That's how I still do to this day with affiliate marketing, because you don't have to worry about profit margins and if you're profitable or not, because you will be profitable as long as you pay for the software or whatever that you need, or, you know, the cameras, or, you know, your iPhone, whatever you're trying to film with. But in order to do that, it will take some time, it will take some work. But it's going to be less work than some other things like, you know, any e-com store, for example. That's a nightmare because you have to fulfill orders. There's tons of things that you have to deal with, and we don't want to deal with all of that. So with that being said, I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it and getting, you know, as fast as possible, making money basically. That's what I want to focus on. So that's how we're going to do it. So this is exactly how it's going to work. So I'm going to show you exactly how this is, you know, actually pans out in real life, but this is how it works basically. So first of all, you're going to start off with some sort of social media. You know, you're watching this on YouTube, but I don't suggest starting off with YouTube, and we're going to explain a bit more of that later on. But you're going to start from social media, whether that's TikTok, that's my dog by the way, whether that's TikTok, whether that's YouTube, Google is like by blogging or something like that. Or you can do Google ads, but we're focusing on free traffic. And then there's Instagram. So those are going to be your traffic sources. Those are important. We're going to get into how to actually develop them, but we're going to do an overview first. So then we're going to have focus on an opt-in page. That's where people can enter the name and email, things like that. And then we're going to get to a bridge page, which will, you know, pre-sell the offer basically. And then on the sales page, we will have some people that, you know, will sell the product for us. That's not our problem. Well, it is when we focus on the product, when we actually know what product we're going to sell. From then on, it's not our problem. Other people are going to sell it. So there's one thing that's missing in this, you know, picture that I put together, and that is emails, because we're going to send them some emails, because a lot of people will go through to the bridge page and then maybe they'll go to the sales page, but they won't actually buy. Maybe they'll quit on the bridge page, whatever it may be. Maybe they'll enter the name and email and then get caught up with something else and forget about, you know, us, the product, whatever you're trying to sell. So what you're going to do is, as soon as people enter the name and email, you're going to have their name, their emails, and you can actually basically send some emails, you know, helping them out a bit more, you know, addressing their pain points or whatever it may be, so that, you know, it basically increases your conversion rate. So that's how it is. You know, most people don't buy the first time around, so that's how it actually works. So we're going to get into another presentation that I did the other day, but don't worry, I'm not going to go through the whole thing again, but I do want to show you a few bits and pieces. So this is the offer that I'm promoting right now. I'm going to explain how you can actually promote it. And this is an info product. So this is a product that actually helps people to make some money. Obviously, you have, like, I've seen tons of people that are like, yes, I've been through this training, or, you know, not necessarily this one, but a ton of other ones, and it didn't work. Well, obviously, it won't work if you're not actually implementing it. But if you do implement it, you will start to make some results, as long as you stay consistent and you put in the work. So that's how it works. So that's an info product. That's how to do an affiliate marketing product or whatever. But in order to sell this product, you will need some other tools. For example, in this you will need to create a sales funnel. So a sales funnel is just like I showed you earlier on this video. So it looks exactly like this. So the first page is going to have people to enter their name and email, then pre-sell them, and then the page that I just showed you. So on the first page, this is what it looks like. There's a video about you. There's the whole page, and I'm going to share with you this exact funnel that you can just copy and paste for you, so that you don't have to actually create it. You can actually just have it like that. So anyway, to have this, and then that's obviously this page, and then there's the sales page. So in order to have this, you will need to have some sort of software. Now, there's some people that use ClickFunnels. There's some other people that use other things. Myself, I use Builderall. So if you just want to copy my sales funnel that actually works, I know it works, I'm getting sales, you can just go in the description and I'll share with you how to do it. But you will have to have that software. It's not that expensive, but you do need a software. So now you've got the product, the product is this one, that's an info product. So what you have to look out for a product is actually either it's going to be a high ticket offer or it's going to be a recurring offer. So this is a high ticket offer. But in the back end, if people want to actually build, use my sales funnel, if you want to use it, I've used some other people's funnels before, you will need to have the software that they're using. In my case, it's going to be Builderall. That is going to be something that's going to be in the back end. That's something that people are going to need to use in order to make this whole process work. So that's going to be recurring revenue. So if people actually go through their training, they want to implement it, then they actually, you can take my funnel, you will have to pay, and I will get a commission. And I highly suggest that this is what you do. You promote a high ticket offer, and then you have something that's going to be recurring revenue. So then you have the best of both worlds. You'll have the high ticket offer, and then you'll have the recurring revenue. So I highly suggest that you do that. If you want to use this info product, that's going to be in the description. Then if you want to use Builderall, that's also in the description. And you'll just, if you click on that link, you'll basically have my sales funnel. So that's how it works. Now, the first part that you're going to actually have to implement after that, because now you have the product, that's easy. You just click in the description. You have the sales funnel, that's easy. You click in the description again. That's going to give you everything. Now, obviously, you will have to change a few things on the second page, which is this one, because you're not me. So you'll be able to keep all of this part, the hook, the video, what you're saying, the testimonials, all of that. You just have to film a short video that's going to be very quick. And I'm actually going to put the script in the description so that you can have the exact same video as I filmed. And, you can just use something like a teleprompter app. And then you just have to change the text telling about your story, but just, basically use my story and, change it so that it's you and not me. That's all it is. So you'll have to film the video. The script will be in the description. Then you will have to change this. Now, obviously, you don't have to do this exact product, but, if you want to have this exact product, that's going to get you a lot further to actually start to make some money. So that's how it works. Everything else will be set up, so you don't have to worry about anything. Then you will have to actually drive some traffic, because just as we said earlier on this video, you will have this. So, you need to have some traffic coming from somewhere. And I wouldn't suggest YouTube right from the start. I would suggest starting with TikTok and growing with TikTok, learning about TikTok and things like that. And once you start to build a following, and maybe get some sales and things like that, then that's where you can actually transition to YouTube. Not fully transition, but add YouTube, and then you can drive traffic from TikTok to YouTube. This is exactly what I'm doing. This is exactly what a lot of people are doing. So this is my TikTok. I've showed this in some previous videos, and this is a bit, it's grown since a little bit. But basically, that's how it looks like. So, I have my YouTube channel. Obviously, as I said in that previous video, it doesn't have the link when you do it on desktop, but on phones it does. Then what I'm about, so empowering people to change their financial future. That's what I'm all about. That's why I help people. And then start here, and there's the link below. So that's kind of the rough idea of what you want to do. You can change some different things. It doesn't matter. Then we have this example. So would you believe you could make $10,000 a month? Right? That's appealing. That's true. You can make $10,000 a month. Some people are making like way more than that. But you can make $10,000 a month, right? That's entirely possible with affiliate marketing. So then we have starting with no following, because when you first start, since we have some platforms like TikTok, which are easy to grow on, this, I'm showing you exactly how you can grow on that. And by the way, you will have to use some trending sounds on that. So starting with no following, that's true. You don't have to create products. You don't have to ship products. You don't have to deal with clients, because the company that you're, an affiliate for, they're the ones that are dealing with clients. You don't have a boss, you don't have a team. So those are all things that sound appealing, because who wants to hire a team? Like there are some people that do, but really when you first start, you don't want to hire a team. You don't want to have a boss either, So everyone has had some bosses before that weren't great, so all of that kind of works. So then I just tell them to learn how start here, and that's where I point. But I think that on YouTube it's the other way around. Anyway, start here, and that's where they go to my bio, and they can get it. So that's how it actually works. So basically, you want to have a hook, you want to have the story, which can be what they want or what they don't want to have, and then just spice up their curiosity, and then say start here. And we're not going to get into YouTube, because you just want to grow your account and then go to YouTube and just explain how you actually made some sales. Maybe you just made a sale, or some sales, some leads, something like that. Then you transition to YouTube, or you add YouTube, and then that's how it actually helps. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Like, everything will be in the description. So there's going to be the script for the video that you're going to have. There's going to be the sales funnel, which you can just copy and paste, just change the video and change some of the text where it's about you. And then there's going to be the product as well, which you can go through, or you should go through, so that you can actually understand the product, so that you can promote it better. So like, everything is in there. And then if you want to promote, just like I'm doing right now, you promote the product, the high ticket product, and then you have the sales funnel in the back end. So that's going to bring you some more. So you can send that by email. You can do this in a video, just like I'm doing. It doesn't really matter. All of this works. So by the way, the high tickets offer, it costs $7. So if you want to promote it, you're going to have to buy it. And same thing for the sales funnel. I'm not sure how much it costs, but it's not like the $200 or something like that ClickFunnels is. So with that being said, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you watch my entire playlist in the description. There's tons of more value about affiliate marketing. There's some playlists on investing as well, so that when you make your money, you just don't throw it out the window. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.